Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the quick auto reframe feature. It's a pro feature. If you don't have a pro, you have to join a pro to get this feature, but this feature really amazing. I'm going to show you quick how to use and what it can do. So simply, and you Capcut, when you open, you will see this window. If you don't have a Capcut, you need to download. For download, I will leave a link in description. You can download totally free. When you first open, I have a logged in. You don't have to log in, but when you open, you will see here it says auto reframe. We're gonna click on auto reframe, then another window pop up. Here we're gonna bring our video clip we are going to work on. I'm going to click on download. I have one of the clip here. Here we're gonna open. You see the clip. Now you have a couple options. What are the ratios you are going to use? I'm going to use 9:16 to show a little bit more better what it does. Then from here, image stability, like you can change how you want, flexible, stable, or normal. I'm gonna keep it normal. These are nothing. You can just change as you want. You can have a camera moving speed, fast, slow, normal. I'm gonna keep it normal, everything like that. Now what it's gonna does, as you can see, it's gonna reframe your video. Like if you have a 16:9, if it's something like a peer, like a motion, like people's, and it will keep in the middle of your video. When we're gonna import this project, you're gonna see only this area, not the other. But as you can see, I'm gonna start again. Keep eye on it. You will see the back area is keep moving, but inside the video you're gonna see stable. These like humans, like any human body, you will stay in the middle, or any moving object other than everything will be cut out. So once you have a project downloaded, you will see only this area. That's the feature of auto reframe and Capcut. If you wish to use that one, you have to join pro. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.